Your mom doesn't let you eat your candy?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, Mama don't let me.
She doesn't let you what?
A candy?
Candy? What happened? You ate all the candy?
Yeah.
Does your mom know?
No.
What happens if she finds out?
Find it.
Huh?
Can't find it?
She can't find it?
No.
No. Why doesn't your mom let you have candy?
Because you don't let me.
Why?
Don't let me watch a Barbie.
She doesn't let you what?
I don't let you watch my Barbie.
She wants your Barbie?
Dad?
Yeah? Did she get you a Barbie house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said for her, and give me candy, please.
What?
She saw my sister that I eat all my candy.
You ate all your candy?
I want to eat my Barbie drink.
Really?
I don't and I don't watch.
Yeah?
No.
No? All right. Where you going?
I guess it's for Nika.
Yeah?